interrupted with the Symsrv.dll DLL blocking Windows SDK workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. To kick off the Symsrv module guide, I've provided an official resource for maintaining a healthy and synchronized workstation. This is the Symsrv module. The Microsoft Symsrv client library allows debuggers, like WinDBG, to automatically download the necessary debugging symbols.pdb files from Microsoft servers to analyze system crashes. Without it, crash analysis results in unreadable hex code, making it impossible for users or developers to identify the root cause of a blue screen or application hang. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. To resolve this, keep in mind that Symsrv.dll is typically installed with Windows SDK. Reinstalling the latest version of Windows SDK from the official developer source will restore any missing or corrupted application files, including the missing library. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Symsrv module file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the Diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Remember that Symsrv.dll is part of a complex ecosystem. Changing it manually without updating its dependencies can lead to permanent errors. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. A structured registry approach is outlined in the software linked below, including Symsrv module management references. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing Symsrv module from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.